Yeah. Hello everyone. Let us discuss today's LeatCode challenge problem. So today's question is replace non-coprime number in the array. So let us understand the problem and then solution. So we are given an array of length say n. Then name of array is none. So our task is to find the pair of any non-coprime number. Non-coprime number is some any pair of a number is a non-coprime when there is a common divisor that is greater than one. Like if we choose 2, 8, the common divisor is 2, that is the greatest common divisor is 2. Similarly, if we choose, let's say, 21 and 45, then their greatest common divisor is 3. So with GCD, greatest common divisor with GCD, the two number is non-coprime if GCD is greater than 1. So we have to find such pair of numbers in this array. And if we find a pair of non-coprime number, we need to replace them with their LCM. And we have to do this process until we are unable to find any pair of non-coprime numbers. So the when this process ends, that the remaining elements will be a result array. The result array will be returned. So let's say we are given this 21, 45, 50, like this. So please consider a prime number from this. Please, let's say usual method of finding prime number, sorry, GCD of the number. Each figure of 43, 20, 10,000, 20, something. Just keep it 21, 13. So there is no common divisor of this number. So they are co-prime number. Their PCD is 1, so they are prime number. Now we will make the second pair 21 and 45. Their GCD is 3. With this method, you will find that their GCD is 3. 3 divides both numbers. If you can also check this. There is no greater number that can divide both numbers together. So usually 3 that is greater than 1, so they are non-coprime number. So we will replace these two numbers by their LCM. What will be their LCM? LCM is multiplication of if LCM LCM into GCD is equals to multiplication of number. So LCM will be multiplication of number divided by GCD. That is 3. So 15, 15 number, 15, 15, 15, 15, 15, will be, so there also will be 350. And now we have found this new number. So we need to check the GCD between these two again. I think we don't need to check because if there was there can be a it can be possible that new number is non-coprime number with the previous number because this number can be non-coprime with this. Okay, so we have to check this newly generated number again with previous number. So if there was a DCD greater than 1, we will replace that with LCM. Similarly, then we will move second number, next number. In this process, we will keep processing the numbers in the array. And at a point when we will not be able to find any, means like when we will exhaust the number in this array, the remaining resultant numbers will be answer for that array. So let us see the solution here. So what I have done is I have declared an array result. So I will keep pushing the numbers in the result array as soon as I will use as I will keep processing as we will progress processing the numbers. So I will start from the first element. At the first element, the result array will not have any number, so we'll just push the number in the result array here. Okay. If it is non-empty number, I am taking for conveniency. I have created two alias A and B for the last of that result array and current element in the array. We'll find the GCD G that is greater than 1, that means they are non-coprime. If it is equals to 1, क्या हुआ? So, so if the GCD of current two numbers is greater than 1, that means they are non-coprime numbers. And in that case, we have to replace these two numbers with their LCM. So I will pop out the last element in the result array and we'll take the LCM of these two numbers. And if after popping out the last element from the result array, it becomes size of 0, then I will push it again, push LCM to the resultant array. If it is not empty, so in that case, because I need to process the previous element, means currently last element of the result array with the newly generated LCM, as we discussed in the whiteboard. So in the for that, I will update the current element of nums, that is the ith element of the nums with the LCM, and I will decrease the I with by one so that it process the LCM, newly updated LCM value again. In this way, we will not skip any pair that is created after converting the current two elements to replacing current with their LCM. So in this way, the final, when all the elements are explored in the array, the elements in this result array will be final answer for this problem. So let us sum up this problem and we'll see what is the result. So it is passing all the test cases with the 97.2% runtime. So I hope you understood the problem and solution of this. So that's all from my side for today. Let's meet tomorrow. Thank you. Um, Thank you for watching.